Hello everyone, this is Emma with the Software Training Lab, and today we are going over adding text in Photoshop. We'll be talking about the Type tool, how to change aspects of your text, and the Type on Mask tool. The typing tool is pretty easy to use, mostly because it works the same in any program. In Photoshop, it's over on the left-hand side, and it's the capital T. To work the tool, you can click and drag to create a text box. Before you start typing, check some of the settings at the top, like the size and color. You don't want it to be too big for the text box or too small for the eye. You also don't want it to be a color that blends in with the background. You can always change those later, but it's good to be able to see what you're typing. Once you typed what you wanted, you can change the settings at the top, like mentioned before, or you can open up the character panel. To open the character panel, you go up to the window and then click Character. When using this section, make sure to have your words highlighted or they won't be changed. The character panel allows you to edit the look of your letters and words. You can change the font type, and the size. You can also change the distance between the letters. You can stretch the letters vertical or horizontal. There is also the option of making it bold, italic, all caps, or small caps, captions above or below, underlined, or crossed out. There's also the paragraph panel. The paragraph panel should have been pulled up as well. This panel has a lot less options. This affects all of your text like you would a paragraph. There is the centering of the line and the indentation, and that's about it. The last tool is the Type of Mask tool. You might have used masks before. This works similar to that concept. It's cutting something out to fit in your text. Select a layer you want to cut out, and then go to your Type tool section and select the Type on Mask tool. This works the same as your Type tool. Create a text box and put your text. Everything will look reddish except for your text. Don't worry about that. Click the check mark at the top. This will turn your text into marching ants. Click on the mask tool at the bottom right, and there you have it, a cutout of your image into your text. That's everything for text. Thanks for watching.